1995 when we pulled Halifax out of the lake in Norway. Well, I decided that this was where I wanted to be, and here we are 12 years later. A complete list of volunteers, I would venture to say, is probably 50. That would be from the start to the present. But on any given day, somewhat under 20 people would be here. You can't work with many more than 20 people because you just don't have the facilities. Like you have only so many riveting guns and lathes and milling machines, so 20 is about the top number of people. It would seem like the guys pretty well know what their capabilities are. As far as detailing work, it just seemed like we sorted ourselves out, and nobody had to give too many, order too many people to do this or that, you know. So it worked out quite well. Basically, what's required here is that you be a good tinkerer. That gives you the ability to pick up what is required over and above that without too much effort. Metal work is primarily the basic need here, and of course, in the case of the Anson and a few of the other older airplanes, woodwork is involved, and fabric, but that's a skill all its own. The boys are all have something in common, so we have a lot of fun keeping each other in line, if you wish. So, from all walks of life, we've got electricians here, design engineers, aircraft design engineers. So we're going to work at this as long as we can. Like the average age of the guys here is probably about 75. So we'll let the whole world figure out how many years they figure we've got left. So, well, we certainly enjoyed doing it, and the guys are quite dedicated, especially the military types, because this is their background. So we'd be very upset if somebody didn't come along behind us and kept things alive, especially where these old airplanes are concerned, because otherwise we've done it all for nothing.